Hi, I'm Dolly from incredible India. Welcome to my Vietnam series. I visited Vietnam with my friend Swati Hariharan in the beginning of 2020. Located in Southeast Asia, Vietnam is a small and a wonderful country with victorious history, profound patriotism, and beautiful landscapes. After visiting this scenic country, I realized that it's the people in Vietnam that make this country amazing. Join my journey as I explore this beautiful country with its people and culture, which I personally believe should be done once in one's lifetime.
Welcome to Vietnam! Day 4 in Hanoi, and right now we are in Ninh Binh. So Ninh Binh is a province of Vietnam that's located near the Red River Delta, and we are here for a day trip today. Right now we are in this town called the Tam Coc, which literally means three grottos. So we're going on a boat ride right now, so probably we'll get to see the caves as well. And we have a bunch of activities lined up for today. Join me as I take you guys along through my entire day.
Ninh Binh is an amazing destination to visit for the beautiful views of the Vietnamese countryside. Vietnam's first capital was established here, and today the area is a protected UNESCO World Heritage Site.
Check out her skills. What's your name? My name is Ham. Xin chào. Xin chào.
From the capital city of Hanoi, you can reach Ninh Binh in less than 2 hours. You can get here by train, bus, taxi, private car, or even rent a bike. Once you reach this beautiful district, the best way to experience Ninh Binh's scenic views are by boat. I highly recommend a paddleboat tour in Tam Coc, which is a small village in Ninh Binh city. Such a unique experience where your own boatman or woman will paddle you along the gentle current in the shadow of these gigantic jungle-covered limestone hills. On the way, you can spot so many temples and glide underneath grottos along the way. hard here because I didn't have good vegetarian options. I've taken some roasted peanuts, some steamed rice, watermelon, and these are fried noodles. And I made my own sauce here. So I put in a little bit of chili sauce, salt, pepper, and soy sauce. I think I'm gonna mix that with the plain rice and see how it goes. But the views are amazing though. Our next stop was the city of Haolu, which was the ancient capital of Vietnam in the 10th and 11th century. Back then, Haolu was chosen as the capital because it's located between these gigantic limestone mountains, which kept the city well hidden from its potential invaders. The city is surrounded by a river which cools it down during the hot summer months and provides a convenient waterway for trade and other businesses. There are many temples and monuments in this ancient capital which were built to honor various Vietnamese emperors and royals. We visited one such temple which was built in the honor of the king Dinh Tien Huan. We were all set to explore our last stop in the itinerary, the very popular Moa Caves. Although this destination is called Moa Cave, what attracts people the most is actually not the cave, but the impressive panoramic view of Tamcock with rice fields, green rivers running slow and lazy, and the majestic limestone hills you get to witness once you climb 500 stone steps to the peak of the Moa mountain. It's almost a 15 minutes medium to hard hike. The views are totally worth it. Okay, so we are halfway through. We need to go all the way there. This is definitely an attraction that you got to add in your Ninh Binh itinerary.
So here ends our Ninh Binh tour. That was quite an exhausting hike, but the views were amazing. It's totally worth it. I would definitely recommend you to do this trip. I'll leave all the details in the description box below so that you can check it out. And until next time, bye!
If you like my recommendation, don't forget to check out my other videos from my Vietnam series. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such fun travel vlogs. And you can also follow me on my Instagram for some instant travel updates.